Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, As-Salam. This special name means the source of peace. As-Salam means that Allah is the one who gives us peace and safety, just like how peaceful nature makes us feel calm and happy. When we see friends playing nicely together, sharing toys, and being kind, that's peace. Allah loves when we spread peace and happiness. When we remember Allah, our hearts feel peaceful and happy. It's like getting a warm hug from someone who loves us very much. We can spread peace by being kind to others, helping our parents, being good to our siblings, and making others smile. Muslims greet each other by saying Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. This is a beautiful way to spread peace. Allah As-Salam loves when we are peaceful and spread peace to others. Let's try to be peaceful in everything we do. Remember, As-Salam means Allah is the source of peace. Let's thank Allah for giving us peace and try to spread peace everywhere we go.